Greetings, fellow educators. Lynn Hall, Director of Choral Affairs for NMEA. It's my pleasure to try to help you navigate in this particular video, to navigate the sight reading segment that is new to the 2022 audition. And so where I will start you with is the sign-in of OpusEvent.com. Of course, OpusEvent, if I can move this particular element here in my screen share, you can see it. OpusEvent.com is where we start. So I will sign in and take us through to the test portion. Of course, I will put in my email, as you will put in the one that's probably associated with your NMEA login. And then a password. And we sign in. And here we are, where we get to select the event that you are looking for. So of course that event is the 2022 Nebraska All-State. So as I scroll down, here it is. You can see it right here. We hit select, and it takes me to my event home. Now, I think that your page will look like this. I happen to be an administrator on this particular account, and so it might look a little different. But I think your page will look like this. Whatever students you have entered their application to audition for All-State, you will see them here. Our purpose today is to check out is to test the sight reading portion so you get an idea of what it will look like. So let's do that now. Of course, this test live portion here is a good thing to go through so you can get your microphone level set and know what to expect when audition day rolls around, and you have a chance to work that out ahead of time. But for brevity's sake, let's go right now to this test sight reading. And here we go. It says you have not made any attempts at this exercise. You have one attempt remaining. You have all the attempts that you want, really. So let's hit test. And now the next thing you need to do is select instrument or voice. This will be the same for band or choir people at this particular point in the test. But now is where it will branch off and be a little different. So I will select the tenor test at this point. And again here, I will select test to get a look at what this will be. And some important instructions here show up. And if you take a moment to read through them, I think that you will find that helpful. A tone will be given before you start the exercise. This is how the sight reading exercise works. A measure of music will be displayed on the screen, so we'll be able to get a look at the exercise. The pitch audio will play for you. Tempo for the choral auditions will not be important. You will be given 45 seconds to study the music. The pitch and tempo then, after those 45 seconds, will play again. Recording will start after the tempo is played and will continue for 60 seconds. Now, do not start recording your exercise before you see the 60-second countdown begin. I will show you that in a moment. Your recording will be played back to you after it is complete. You should know that in the actual audition, the sight reading portion on audition day, when you're ready to go, you will have two chances to do your actual exercise. So when you hit start exercise in the actual adjudicated portion, it will bring up an exercise. You will have a chance to do your best with that recording. If you do not like that recording, you will be able to choose a different recording that will come, a different exercise will come your way, and you will be able to then record that. If that does not go well, that's the chance you take, because you will not be able to choose then if you feel like your first exercise went better. You will have to go with that second audition, or with that second exercise rather. Okay, so here we go. Let's start the exercise. Again, this is just a test. So there is our starting pitch. Bum. Now, as you choose, you see those 45 seconds to study have shown up. If you might be wondering about, what do I sing it on? You can sing it on the solfege if you like. That's what I will do. But you can also choose a neutral syllable. You can sing it on a rhythmic syllable if you would like. Really, it doesn't matter. As what the adjudicator is looking for is the right note sung at the correct time. So when our 45 seconds are winding down here, they're about wrapped up, the tone will sound again. The recording will start. You can see the countdown up here in the upper right-hand corner. We're going to wait for that 60 to show up before we start to record. There's the starting pitch. Waiting for 60 seconds. There it is. You can see that my sound recording is picking up now. Do, mi, re, mi, fa, so, la, so, mi, do, ti, do, mi, so, la, so, mi, do, mi, re, do. We're finished recording, so we hit that button, and it will end my recording with 20 seconds remaining. 60 seconds, there it is. You can see that my sound recording is picking up now. Do, mi, re, mi, so, mi. I've hit the pause button, and so that has stopped that recording, right? You could listen to all of it. You can go back and do as many test recordings as you would like. You could see each of those test recordings for soprano, alto, tenor, and bass. Alto, tenor, and soprano will all be shown in treble clef. The bass will read bass clef for their audition. I hope this is helpful. If you have further questions about the sight reading segment, my contact information is available on the NMEA website. You are welcome to call me or to email me, and I will get back to you very soon and try to answer your questions the best that I can. Hope this is helpful. Good luck to you.